The current price of 1 unit of the Sandbox SL Sand coin is 0.768. It has had a 1% decrease in value over the previous 24 hours. However, the closing price of Sand is greater than its opening price. Out of all the times, a single unit of Sand was sold for $740 in our database, which occurred 2 years and 3 months ago. Currently, the price of Sand has decreased by 9.62% compared to that previous sale. Out of the 17 technical indicators, 12 indicate a recommendation to purchase, while just one suggests selling, based on technical price research. The near-term forecast indicates a positive outlook. The initial significant resistance barrier for Sand is at 0.869. In order for the price to continue rising, it must close above this level. On the other hand, the lower support level for the trend is at 0.7324. If the price falls below 0.7324, there is a possibility of further decrease. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, currently stands at 69.63, indicating that the market is neither oversold nor overpriced. The RSI number is precisely 29.184729. Typically, the closing price of Sand on the final day of March exceeded the opening price. The price fell below the initial month's price only once. The title of the film is The Last 5 Years. The Sandbox has experienced its most successful month in October. The quantity of Sand sold at the end of October was 3 times greater than the quantity sold at the beginning of the month. Additionally, in 3 out of 5 instances, the price at the end of September was lower than the initial price. In terms of monthly performance, September has historically been the least favorable month. To delve deeper into this, let's examine the monthly results. The Sandbox experienced 2 significant periods of bullish activity. The first one commenced in August 2020 and concluded in August 2022. During this time, the price of the Sandbox dropped to its lowest point of 0.318. Remarkably, just 68.4 days later, it rebounded and took approximately a year from August 2020 to reach a new all-time high. Since the last bull run in November 2021, 840 days have passed. It took 450 days for Sand to hit a new all-time high during the previous bull run. According to the latest price estimate, the Sandbox price is projected to reach 0.9114 within the next 10 days. Looking further ahead, we anticipate that the price will reach $151 by 2025 and $33 by 2030 in the long term. Considering historical peaks and near-term forecasts, the projected value for Sandbox in 2040 is estimated to be $964. As for 2025, the maximum anticipated price for Sandbox is $1,051, while the lowest expected price is $110.